Everyone, I can say this. So far, this is the best Chrome extension for ChatGPT I haven't seen. This Chrome, it's so nice. It's a great extension for ChatGPT. Okay? For now, it's free. I'm not sure what's gonna happen later. I'm going to show you how to install it and use it. Okay? If you want to find this extension, you can go to Google and look for here AIPRM for ChatGPT. You can see here Chrome extension. It's gonna take you to chrome.google.com. If you open here, it's gonna bring you to this lovely extension. Right now it's got 100,000 users, but this can go up to million, I believe so. So you click add to Chrome, you click add extension, and it's gonna open ChatGPT. As you can see, the interface right now we don't have it. So when you come to ChatGPT, they're gonna ask you to read and accept the term and condition. I'm gonna click confirm. Okay, and you will get this interface. So from this interface, you got all the lovely tool you will need. Okay, human writing, plagiarism free, SEO optimized content. This was written in by someone called Zuma. It was created by Zuma. So all those prompts was created by the community. So it's a lovely tool. I'm gonna show you just an example. You can either use the public prompt by clicking here, or you can create your own prompt. Okay, but I'm gonna say I just want to use the public prompt. Okay, from here you can select a topic. Either you are doing a copywriting, generative AI, marketing, operating system, productivity, SEO, software application. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna say maybe I'm gonna go SEO. Okay, and then from here you select your language, if you are English or French, whatever, and here you can just enter a URL of a competitor. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna go to Google. So I'm gonna look for something. I can say webs or web designer. I'm gonna copy the link of this website, go back to ChatGPT. So I'm gonna paste the URL here, and then when I'm done, I press enter. Now what ChatGPT is going, so it's going to use that website as a reference, and it's gonna write for me a post. But remember, you don't copy this and paste it on your website think it's going to rank. No, don't do that. You can use this as a reference. You can use this thing as a reference to write, redo this thing properly. It must be like it done by a human, not by a bot. So you must be very careful. This is just a example. It show you how you can use it and make a great post that can help you rank on Google. So as you can see, it's still busy writing it. As you can see, it's still typing. You see how nice it is. Okay, So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.